Hi, hello and welcome back. Now I am going to discuss about the importance of sustainable computing. Before getting into the importance of sustainable computing, let us see what is sustainable computing. Sustainable computing is the design, development, operation and disposal of computing systems in an environmentally responsible manner that minimizes energy consumption, reduces carbon emission, conserves resources and promotes long-term sustainability. Using computers and information technology in an efficient and eco-friendly way so that they can consume less energy, electricity and generates less pollution. This is what called sustainable computing. It aims to ensure that technology meets current computing needs without compromising the ability of the future generation to meet their own needs. We have seen this in the introduction to sustainability. Now comes to the point. Why it is important? Why sustainability is important? Let us consider the current scenario where IT industries are growing and the usage of power becomes very high. Look at the data centers where the energy usage also becomes very high. The utilization becomes huge in number. So, to reduce the power, energy utilization and to extend the life cycle of the hardware system, it is very important. What are the important factors? Now we'll see these one by one. Reduces energy consumption. Efficient utilization of CPU, putting the CPU into sleeping mode when it is not in use, which reduces the energy consumption while using the computer systems. Then virtualization concepts. If you use virtualization concepts, the utilization of energy becomes very low, which lowers the electricity bills as well as it lowers the heat produced during the process. The next one minimizes environmental impact. Environmental impact in the sense reducing carbon emissions, CO2 emissions, nothing but the carbon emissions, then using of renewable energy sources which tends to less pollution. Comes to green computing practices. Promoting green computing practices like using cloud computing, virtualization as we said, using of green software, then smart cooling and paperless offices are those which promotes green computing practices. The next one reduces electronic waste, e-waste. It's nothing but the electronic waste. Reusing, recycling, refurbishing any electronic items like chips, motherboard, etc. Then toxic materials comes out if we dispose the electronic waste unethically. To avoid such, we should dispose the electronic waste properly. We should recycle, reuse and refurbish as far as possible to extend the device lifespan. Next one, cost efficiency. So, when something comes with less cost, then it is called cost efficient. It consumes lower electricity and cooling cost also very low. Then automatically comes better utilization. Finally, we get the long-term savings in terms of electricity, money, etc. The next comes resource optimization. Resource optimization. Optimization in the sense it comes with computer systems where we can optimize the CPU, we can also optimize the RAM, we can also optimize the storage which exists in the CPU tends to higher efficiency, which leads to resource optimization. The next one ensures future readiness. How to ensure the future readiness? What is our future? We can say directly artificial intelligence, IoT. When we say artificial intelligence, AI and IoT, automatically the term comes in mind smart city. These things are the future ready things. We should ensure the proper utilization and production towards sustainability. Scalable green infrastructure is also plays a vital role in bringing sustainability. These are the things which are most important to achieve sustainability. Thanks for watching.